My name is Carolyn Petty. Our election is November 5th. The representatives you choose have a tremendous impact on your life, so I encourage you to participate in this election. If I were to choose one thing that I would like to accomplish as your council member, it would be to improve the economics of our town. We need a thriving economy in order to maintain our high safety levels as well as our infrastructure. To do that, we need to grow our economic engine and manage costs. Currently, the city has many development opportunities, but from where I stand, some of these have languished. The city needs to be more proactive in terms of developing the relationships with potential or future businesses, as well as nurturing and supporting the ones we have. What I can bring is an approach that's actually a requirement in the private sector, and that's getting things done. Everybody will not always agree on all of the details, but everyone will agree that at some point you must reach a conclusion and move forward. I commit to you that under my leadership, the city would begin to establish timelines and goals so we can stay on track and reach conclusions. In terms of costs, I believe that we can make smart decisions while still maintaining our high safety levels. Pensions, for instance. Pensions are somewhat of a jigsaw puzzle in terms of how the numbers are calculated. I would bring focus to the final year upon which pensions are based. We can control this. That number affects us for the next 30 to 40 years, and I believe it will have a tremendous impact on our city's fiscal future. I have many other ideas, so if you would like to learn more, please visit my website, carolynpetty.com, and please vote for me on November 5th.